Welcome to our YouTube video on how to manage your Reels in Instagram. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the steps to take control of your Reels and customize them according to your preferences. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile. Step 3. Open your Reel. Step 4. Tap the 3 dots in the bottom right of the Reel. Step 5. Tap Manage. From here, you have several options to manage your Reel. Tap Edit to make changes to the caption and location of your Reel. This allows you to refine and personalize your Reel's details. Tap Turn Off Commenting to disable comments on your Reel. This gives you more control over the interactions on your Reel. Tap Pin to your Reels to highlight this specific Reel at the top of the Reels tab on your profile. Showcase your best content to your followers. Tap Hide Likes to prevent others from seeing how many people have liked your Reel. Maintain privacy or focus on the content itself. Tap Add to Profile Grid to include the Reel on your profile's main grid. Showcase your Reel alongside your other posts. Tap Archive to move the Reel to your archive. Keep your feed organized and easily access your previous Reels. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your Reels and enhance your Instagram experience. That's it for our full guide on managing your Reels in Instagram. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides. Thanks for watching.